So we'll just go over how it resembles a library record like any other. This is the encoding schema, UTF-8. This is the title of the collection, Robert E. Pulido Memorial Collection. The creator's dates are here. He is also a subject of his own collection. There are other subjects, however, Newark Italian Americans in the 20th century, a retail store called Pulido Brothers, jazz bands in the U.S. Air Force, jazz in the 20th and 21st centuries, and Spanish language teaching, Spanish literature, as Robert Pulido was a Spanish teacher and a jazz musician, kind of a Renaissance man. So here's his biography, not because it's a good biography, but because it's useful as a finding aid for the researcher and for the archivist. So basically it just has a sentence about his life when he was active, what is in the collection, these different documentary entities, and some highlights of the collection. On the next page, we have the publisher, Universal Music, the contributor, who's the archivist of this particular collection, yours truly, the dates of the creator, the types of documentary entities also listed above located in the collection. They range from music to manuscripts to musical instruments, correspondence, photographs, and recordings. The notes on the collection are for the sake of the researcher who's coming to the archive, and you'll find 10.5 archival feet of different series in different formats, recordings, music scores, notations, instruments, just the same as the types above. The DC identifier has not been assigned yet, but it will be. This number is another identifier. The languages are English and Spanish. It will be in the archival collection under jazz music, and the coverage is these dates. The coding used